Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to find your shorts restriction status on YouTube using your PC, so let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Click on Content. This will take you to the Content Management section of YouTube Studio. Step 3. On the top menu, click on Shorts. This section is specifically dedicated to managing your Shorts content. Step 4. Next to the video, you will find Restrictions. This indicates whether your Shorts video is subject to any restrictions or not. By checking the restriction status, you can ensure that your Shorts video complies with YouTube's guidelines and policies. Remember, adhering to the guidelines will help you reach a wider audience and ensure your Shorts content remains visible to viewers. Now, you can stay informed about any restrictions on your Shorts videos and take the necessary steps to address them. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.